All right, let's jump into the daily trade recap here on Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023. Gigantic day for us in trading, a whole $163 to the good on 3 different trades. Let's jump into those trades now. We'll keep it simple today. First trade we closed was a call butterfly on Google that we placed on May 11th. We did the 117, 121, 125 butterfly using the May 26 strikes. We paid 83 cents for this trade, and we took it off today for $1.35 credit. We were in this trade for 12 days, 129% return on margin on this trade. I did take it off a little early here since Google was moving up and moving past the 121 center strike, and I don't like to hold on to these once we blow through the middle of the tent. Even though we could settle there and we could make more money as we go, I just want to exit this trade while we have a nice gain of 129%, and we'll move on. So only $104 trade, small trade, but we're in it and we made some cash for today. Next trade was a LEAP put that we sold on FUTU back on February 1st. We took in $1.77 credit on this particular LEAP put. We always look for 30%. That's the plan. We ended up closing it today on the 23rd here for $1.54. We were in this trade 111 days. We did take 13% premium capture out of it, which ended up being a 4.6% return on margin. So not bad. Still a winner, $69. Small little trade here. I did post a portfolio review earlier, so if you want to check that out, go ahead and check that out in the YouTube channel here and in the Discord. But the reason for closing this now was we were evaluating our theta and our buying power and determined that we could better use that funds somewhere else and increase our overall theta to net lick on the account by closing this particular trade. Since we were already at 13%, it's a small trade anyway. We just decided to get out, take the 69 bucks, and ran with it on this particular trade. And then the final trade, very similar strategy here. This was an IWM LEAP put that we put on back on March 1st for $2.42 credit. We took it off today for $2.47 credit. We lost 10 bucks on this trade. We were in it for 83 days. Really small 0.4% return on margin loss. But we did, again, we took this off because it was using up buying power. It really wasn't decaying and moving the way we wanted it to, even though RUT's been on a bit of an uptick lately. Just thought we could use that buying power somewhere else. So between the IWM trade and the FUTU trade, closing both of those out freed up almost $6,500–7,000 worth of margin that allowed us to put on another strangle in the Aussie dollar today with a whole lot more upside premium capture potential. So we upped our theta, reduced our buying power, and still had an overall profitable day here anyway. Even though it's small, 163 bucks, beats a stick in the eye. If you like this, you like these trade ideas, check out that portfolio recap we did. It'll give you a sense of the strategies I'm using. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Like anything that you hear. I'll be happy to talk to you about more of these trades if you want to comment as well. But go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next episode. Have a great evening. Thanks, everybody.